So I done left the house again. We out here, downtown LA. About to come over here and check out this old Terpene Lab. If you don't know about terpenes, they new wave. People using them for a variety of things, but one of the main things they use them for is vaping. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and go on down here and check this out and see exactly what they're talking about. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. All support appreciated. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to hit the notification bell to stay updated with all new contents and episodes. So today, it's a special day because I made my way down here to the Terpene Lab. And what is a Terpene Lab? If you don't know, then I'm going to break it all down for you. First, now the Terpene Lab is, if you don't know, the terpenes is what they actually fill the cartridges up with to add the flavors and the different experiences when you're hitting your vapes. So now if you ever wanted to know more about terpenes, they have the Terpene Lab out here in LA, California, to all my worldwide viewers. So I came down here and got a first-hand demonstration, and might even give me a few terps and get a better understanding about them, because there's a lot of different uses that you could use for the terps, as far as vaping, pain patches, lotions, bath bombs, and etc. So, you know, I came down here to go ahead and check it out for the vapes right here. As you see, I still got my woofs, but I got chicken and waffles right here, and Laffy Taffy right here. And you could come down here to the Terpene Labs yourself and get a full demonstration. Check this out right here. They got the whole thing right here with all the different flavors. Some of them are missing, but it has everything. Fireball, Laffy Taffy, which is what we got right here. Jungle Juice, Panty Dropper, Spearmint, Acai Berry. The list goes on and on. But you could come down, and these do have THC in them. So you could come down here and sit down and get you a full sample of the terps. They got the list right here with hundreds of them. They making new flavors all the time and profiles, and they willing to do good business with you at good fair prices. So one of the things I learned first and foremost is that with these terpenes, it's really about the the taste more than the smell. So you might smell one of these right here, like this gelato, and then go ahead and get you a smell, and it might smell like what you don't think the taste is going to be like. So, you know, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. Maybe I could get an interview with one of the employees over here to give you a little more information before I go. But I'm going to take a few hits and, tell me what you guys think about this. Stay tuned. So, I'm over here trying these different flavors right now. This one right here is champagne. And, this is, I forgot my friend, what's your name?
My name is Michelle.
Michelle. She's the owner of the Terpene Labs. So it might be a little more information that she can share, that I can't tell them what we got going on here.
Terpenes is the solution that you would use with your extracts, i.e. shatter, wax, crumble, distillate, to get the viscosity proper so you could smoke it in a vapor cartridge. The other uses are to flavor your blunts, flavor your slabs. If your smoke doesn't quite have the nose on it, you could actually implement a little time frame of smell to that, meaning that it would dissipate over a certain amount of time. Anyway, terpenes is the hottest thing on the market right now. Everybody's getting into it. As we know, the weed business is pretty progressive, and we're progressing on with terpenes. The testers that we're allowing people to test on right now, these are all our new flavors that are up here on the top shelf. Those are made with no cut. They're just terpenes and distillate.
Oh, okay.
Made at approximately 15% terpenes to 1 gram. So we have profiles. They're plant-derived terpenes that are putting a profile combination so that they emulate a strain mill.
But what I was trying to say is, so these don't have to be technically, you don't have to use a modifier with these,
You don't have to.
but you can.
Most people do. I know you do not have to. So you've got a percentage of people that don't use a modifier. They feel that they want to keep their product stronger at a higher level of THC.
Yeah.
And then you've got the other people that, because of prices and because of how the market is these days and potency, they definitely use a modifier.
And you guys have modifiers as well, correct?
Absolutely. We sure do. Yep, we've got fire right here. And as you can see, look at the tip right here. You see how thick that is?
Oh yeah.
That's thick. That's one type of modifier. Then you have like
Is this the thickener, or is this just the
this is the new.
Oh, this is the new one.
This is the new.
That's the new one. Okay.
Yeah, this is the viscosity of this is much thicker than the thickness that we did.
And this is all natural ingredients?
Absolutely. And we're not ready to disclose the ingredients of that at this particular time.
Yeah.
Perhaps in the future.
And it says diluted distillate up to 99.1. So this is some real deal stuff. And if you come down here to the Terpene, the lab or the institute?
Lab. This is the Terpene Lab, downtown Los Angeles.
Okay, what's that address?
330 East 3rd Street, Los Angeles, California.
330 East 3rd Street, Los Angeles, California. If you get out this way, then most definitely, then you have to come to the Terpene Lab. If not, then you really haven't had the tour. And on that note, we out of here.